Let me ask you something real. Why the hell are you still at a job you hate? Clocking in early? Clocking out tired? Knowing damn well you're underpaid and replaceable? Why? You already know people, regular people, who are killing it. Working from laptops, turning skills into income. Getting paid for their brain instead of their back. And you're still standing at a register. Still stocking shelves. Still flipping burgers. Still praying overtime saves you. That's not loyalty. That's fear. McDonald's, Walmart, warehouses, call centers, $12, $15, $18 an hour. Let's be generous. That's $30,000 to $40,000 a year before taxes rip it apart. Now let's talk reality. Python. Not sexy, not glamorous, but it prints opportunity. Entry-level Python roles. Data analyst, $70,000 to $90,000. Automation engineer, $80,000 to $100,000. Python developer, $90,000 to $120,000. Cybersecurity automation, $100,000. Plus AI, or data roles, $120,000 to $150,000 if you're serious. Read that again. That's not fantasy. That's skill-based income. And don't hit me with college is too expensive. Good. You don't need it. Udemy courses, $15 to $20. Full Python bootcamps online, $200 to $500. Fiverr coaching calls with real developers, $30 to $100 an hour. You'll spend more on fast food, weed, and bullshit subscriptions in 1 month than it costs to change your life. And let's be honest, you're not stupid. You're just comfortable being underpaid. You stay because it's familiar. You stay because you're scared to be bad at something new. You stay because failing feels worse than being miserable. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. You don't hate work. You hate working without leverage. Python gives leverage. You automate tasks while others grind manually. You solve problems while others wait for instructions. You negotiate pay instead of begging for raises. This isn't about becoming a nerd. This is about becoming dangerous with skills. Health sharp, mind locked in, money moving. You train your body so you don't break. You train your mind so you don't get replaced. You train your skill so you don't get trapped. Stop telling yourself, someday. Someday is bullshit. People are passing you right now. Not because they're smarter, but because they started. So I'll ask again. Why are you still there? Why are you scared to grow? Why are you settling for scraps when the table is wide open? Nobody owes you a better life, but you can take one. Learn the skill, master it, monetize it, or stay exactly where you are. Your move. Get uncomfortable or get left behind.
While they sleeping, I'm up counting racks. Silent moves, I don't ever talk back. Moonlight on the dash, riding through the trap. Dreams turn to play.